Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install. This wig is the perfect everyday beginner friendly wig, you guys. It is from 𝐂𝐻𝐿. This is their 6x4 HD lace wig that comes pre-plucked and it also comes pre-cut for you, and it is 100% glueless, you guys. And the good thing about it is that you can actually fix this wig up any type of way that you would like to and get different styles, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to achieve that. So as always, I'm just giving you guys a quick unboxing. Now I'm going to show you guys a close-up of that lace. That lace is beautiful. Once again, this wig is from 𝐂𝐻𝐿. It's their 6x4 HD lace wig that comes pre-plucked and pre-cut. Take a look at that lace, you guys. Those knots are literally undetectable. They're like non-existent. And the good thing about their lace is that it's suitable for all skin colors. The hairline looks very realistic, and also this gives the true effect of a wear and go wig. The quality was absolutely amazing as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm going to give you guys some close-ups of the wig details. That dome cap is very breathable and stretchy, and of course you have the adjustable strap for a nice glueless wig install. Now just like I said earlier, the quality of 𝐂𝐻𝐿 products is really good, and the prices are really reasonable. So if you're looking for a great everyday wig, their products are like the first choice when it comes to cost and performance. You'll be saving a ton of money for a high quality wig. And in addition to saving your money, this product could save a lot of time and energy because hello, we're just going to throw her on, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it was to install and style this wig. So as you guys saw, all I did from the jump was basically just add some makeup on that lace, because even though she is HD, I just really want to make sure that the lace is true to my skin tone. And then I adjusted the adjustable straps and I just threw her on. Right now what I'm doing is I'm just making sure the wig is secure, and I'm liking the way that she is looking thus far. And then of course I will be going in with my wax stick and my hot comb just to really make sure that she is laying as flat as possible. And I will be adding some more makeup on that lace as well and give you guys a nice close-up. Just in case you guys did not catch it earlier, this wig is from 𝐂𝐻𝐿. It is a 6x4 HD lace closure wig. It comes pre-plucked, pre-cut lace, just like I showed you guys earlier. She is 18 inches, 180% density, and the texture is called Ocean Wave. Alright, it's time for my favorite part. I am showing you guys how easy this lace is just sinking into my skin. This HD lace is bomb. Now again, I did not use any product to secure this lace down or make it melt that way, you guys. That is the true quality of the lace. All I'm doing is just adding a little bit more foundation right at the edge, and I'm going to go in with a little lighter foundation in the middle part as well, because naturally your scalp is lighter than the rest of your skin, so you kind of just want to mimic that when it comes to your wigs. Alright, but again, I'm going to give you guys a nice close-up. She is looking amazing. This lace is absolutely beautiful. 𝐂𝐻𝐿, you definitely have me obsessed with this lace and this wig in general, you guys. And again, this wig is perfect for all my beginners out there, because look how easy that was. We did not have to do anything to make this wig look top quality like that. And again, this is straight out the box. So if you normally watch my tutorials, you know what's coming next, but just in case you're new here, I like to do this method with my wax stick and my hot comb just to really make sure that the top of my wig is laying as flat as possible. That way it doesn't look like I have a helmet on my head. We want it to look like it is my hair, okay? The lace is already doing its job, so we just got to make sure the rest of the wig is doing its job as well. Okay, she is looking good. So here is another close-up, you guys. You cannot tell me that this wig is not giving scalp. I was super impressed, and of course I was happy about that as well. Now remember, I told you guys that the texture is ocean wave, so she does come curled for you. However, you guys know that I like to recurl my wigs because I just like it to look a little bit more fresh, being that we just took her out the box. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did that. I just added some holding spray. On certain pieces, I did use my wax stick just to get rid of any like flyaways and stuff like that. Now I know you guys are probably watching this video and you're like, oh my god, you use a lot of your wax stick. My wax stick is actually not too sticky, so it's not going to make the hair stiff up, thank god. So I'm able to build it up as I need, and I really just like to use it just to make sure my wig is laying flat, and also I get rid of the flyaways that way as well. So if you're wondering why I consistently use my wax stick, that is why. But going back to the hair, I just want to let you guys know that this hair literally did not shed at all. Wig was top quality, the lace was top quality, and as you guys are seeing from the video, it was super easy to style and just make it look natural. I didn't have to do anything extra, so I was super impressed. Okay, you guys, this is how these curls came out. I love me a good ocean wave texture. I feel like it just gives like this natural, effortless beach wave type of curl. So I was really happy with it overall. And again, I'm showing you guys that we did not use any product. I did not go ahead and sneak any additional product on this wig. We just used makeup to blend that lace, and that was it. Now, I know some of you guys are wondering like, hey, this is only a 6x4 lace, so what else can I do with this wig? Obviously, you can get a middle part, but if you actually want a side part, all you have to do is just shift the wig to the side, you guys, and that just shows you how effortless this lace just melts, because you cannot do that with just any and every wig. So Oh My Pretty Wig said, listen, we're going to give you a simple 6x4 lace closure, but it's going to be HD enough that you can actually get 3 different parting styles with just one wig unit. You do not have to worry about having excess lace, because she is giving frontal without it actually being a frontal. This wig is just amazing. So make sure you guys go ahead and you check out my description box. The direct link to this wig will be listed there. I do not want you guys to miss out on this. Remember, you are getting a nice top quality lace for a super reasonable price, and as you guys saw, she is easy to just throw on and go. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.